Welcome to Mayfield Senior School, where tradition meets innovation. Here at Mayfield, you might first see beautiful buildings full of history, or bright classrooms buzzing with ideas and discussion, artists turning blank canvases into masterpieces, athletes building teamwork and pushing limits. But what do I see when I look around this campus? I see sparks. Curious minds taking risks as they explore new ideas. Spirited pep rallies bringing us together where energy and joy fill the air. Values in action. A faith-filled community that fosters respect and celebrates individuality. Teachers who recognize our potential, encouraging us to try new things and fueling our passion for learning. Girls ready to shape the future with courage and a sense of purpose. But what excites me most isn't what's already happened. It's what's yet to come. I see a spark in you, ready to take your first steps towards an extraordinary future. Ready to begin? Apply today.